Hello, welcome back to my channel. First off, yes, I have a lot of blush on. It is a blush by The Balm and it is so pigmented. I tried to blend it out as best as I could, but yeah. We are the 13th August, which is my boyfriend's birthday, and it is rather quick. You know, it was kind of on the 3rd, I think, so it took 10 days to get here. That is good. I'm not complaining. So let's just open it up and see what we have. I hope it's no like lip product or blush, because I already have stuff on. Ooh. Oh, that's so colorful. It's beautiful. Ta-da! So this one, it is again a box and not a makeup pouch or travel pouch, whatever you call it. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. Oh no, there's no leaf. Wait. I don't think there's a leaflet in. Ah, it says, "Together we can do great things." Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, there's already something in that I can't use. Given the fact there's no leaflet, this will be again a very short video, but I have in this box 5 products that I want to review that I got in past LookFantastic boxes. So let's get started with the first thing here. That is by Skimono, the Radiance Recovery 4C, plumping collagen, calming chamomile, refreshing cucumber, firming vitamin C with peptides. It's an eye mask, so like the ones that you put underneath. They feel very thick. Now, of course, it's 2 masks in here, so one might not be that thick, but this might be very nice to use. Helps reduce dark circles and puffiness. Really, dark circles? Everyone has dark circles, and you can't. Anyways, helps soften fine lines, deep moisturization to relieve dry and tired eyes, brightens complexion for a more radiant glow. I will try that out. Something in here doesn't smell good, but we'll get there. So the second product is this by Glove, a mask remover. A mask remover? Effortless Beauty, innovative fiber technology, removes cosmetic masks with water. So like deep moisturizing mask that you can get off. Let me just take that out and see what it looks like. And I also want to read on the back, and I can't because... Okay. Oh god, I still can't read this. Oh my goodness, hold on. Use Glove Mask Remover to fully remove your dried clay or mud mask. Oh. Oh yeah, okay. I usually just use my hands because, you just wash it off, but I will try it out. Moisten glove with warm water. Press glove to skin for a moment and wait for the feeling of your mask dissolving. Then gently remove the mask using circular motions. Clean with Glove Magnet Cleanser or with a bar of soap. Yeah, okay. And you can wash this and then reuse it again. Huh? Like, why is it... What? So you press it against your face like this and then wait for it to absorb. That is a nice idea, but do you really need this? I would try it out, like I said, but I usually just use my hands to wash my mask off. So, but yeah, I will give it a try. I can't get it in the packaging anymore. 2 products. Then the third one is... That looks amazing. Look at this. It's the AHC, Natural Essential Mask. Aqua Nourishing and hydrating. For dry and rough skin. But the key ingredients are hydrolyzed vegetable protein and glycine soybean protein. 100% natural cotton. Oh, it is made in Korea. Haha, it's K-beauty. Hold on. I'm learning Korean right now. I should be able to read something. Hold on. My Korean is not that good. I just realized that. I know that umshik means food. That's all I need to know. So I would definitely try this out. Just for the packaging alone, it looks like the actual bottle of product. That is cool. I will definitely try that out. This is the product I can't use. A bath bomb. We get this. Oh, this is the smell. This is rhubarb and custard bath fizz by bubble tea. We get this once a year. Literally. I don't have a bathtub. And I know someone said to me that I could take them on vacation with me to use there, but usually we don't have a bathtub there either. So yeah, I will put this in the giveaway. It's cruelty-free, it's suitable for vegans. This is not food. Do not drink or eat. It doesn't smell that good, to be honest. So I will definitely put this into giveaway, which is a little sad because, I mean, you know, I pay money for this. I want to get some use out of it. Only 2 more products left. So we have this, the Filorga Age Purify Intensive Serum Double Correction for wrinkles and blemishes. Okay, so it's a serum that I will use. Can I smell this? Oh, I can. Hold on. It smells like cucumber. It smells very fresh. Oh, this actually smells good. Okay, so I cannot wait to try that one out. Last but not least, the Ciate Go-To, oh no, Illuminating Blush. Shit, I should have known it. Wasn't that the like the preview from last month? So this is the shade Matchmaker. Is that it? Is that the shade? It is cruelty-free and vegan. Approved by PETA though, so PETA is not really, you know, it's PETA. Okay, so it comes with this. A long-wear skin brightening blush. For glowing color, swirl brush into the blush and highlight and apply directly on the apples of the cheeks. Cute little compact. It's pink. The shade is actually called Matchmaker. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh! Oh, that's a baked highlighter and blush. Oh my god, that's so shiny. I don't know how, if you can see how shiny this is. Whoa. Whoa, this is beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Also, such a cute packaging. Oh, this is adorable. I really like this. This is nice. Oh my god, I have bubble wrap laying here. Oh my god. I scared shit out of me. Oh my god. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box. I'm actually super excited for it. I love the blush. Of course, I have like 15 other blushes that I want to use up first, but of course I have 15 other blushes that I want to use up first, but we're getting there, so super excited about this. Then we have the serum that you can always use. This I'm disappointed in, but I guess a lot of people love bath bombs, so they always put it in. This looks nice. Cannot wait to try this. This, I don't know if I will actually try that out. And then this I will try because my eyes are very tired and dry and I need to use it. So, quickly for reviews, and this is a very big coincidence because I have a glove product in here that we got years ago. So this is a towel, as you can see, a display glove, and it's supposed to make your hair dry faster. This is microfiber, and it works absolutely amazing. So you're supposed to put it on your head, wrap it around, and then secure it in the back with the little button here. It works great, but I use it for like 3 times and it broke off. Like the elastic here broke off, and I am not very good at sewing things, so I was never able to put it back into place. Ergo, I was never able to fully secure it, and it always slid off my head. It actually dries your hair a little faster, I give you that, but it lasted for 3 washes. Do you know what I'm trying to say here? This I actually talked about quite a lot. This is the Lotte London AM to PM retractable eyeliner, cruelty-free, vegan. It's totally empty, so I can give you a full-on review. It broke off when I used it. Like, it didn't really break off. I mean, it did break off at the end. So whenever I twisted out, it didn't really go back in. So I had to push it down with my finger. And the more you use it, the less color it gave off. So you had to scrape off the first layer. I just did that on my hands, just like quickly over, just to get an intense color again. But I think that's with every liner. You know, the more you use it, the more oil you have on there, the more eyeshadow maybe, and the more mascara, whatever, so concealer, you know, things. So this was actually very nice. It stayed put for so long. It was so intense black. It looked amazing. I would definitely repurchase this one. Okay, so then this is the Aspar Pink Hair and Sculpt Mud, and I used this when I dyed my hair greenish, blue, whatever. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. Gives you a bit of a tingly feeling, not too much. Really deep cleans your scalp. It doesn't make your scalp oily. So I really like it. Do I always think about, you know, it's a treatment mask. Do I always think about putting a mask on my scalp or on my hair in general? No, I don't have time. I just use conditioner, shampoo, and then I leave. But every once in a while, it is nice. I might repurchase it. Probably not though, but maybe. This, I use it up. Can you believe it? This is a self-tanner by Mine Tan Body Skin. The Cucumber Face and Body Tan Mist. Now, I've once done a self-tan. That was when I was still in school. I was like 17. Looked horrible on me. Horrible. So I figured, you know what? A spray. You can never go wrong with a spray. It smells so good. So refreshing. It smells like summer. Amazing. But do not get it too close to your body. I don't know what I did. I was too close and I put too much on and it just dripped down, like down my arm, and you had the little drips of dark orange color on my arms. You know what I mean? Like some of my body was orange, and the other one I did well. You know, with like a very big distance, I sprayed it on. It looked good, but the closer you get, the worse it looks. So be careful with that. But other than that, it worked so nicely. I really did have a bit of a tan. It looked nice. You know, in the place that were even, it was gorgeous. So I might repurchase it. I can't believe I'm saying this. It's a self-tanner. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I would purchase this. Let us sink in. Okay, and the last but not least for the reviews. I think we got this last month, wasn't it? The Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in Oh My God, which is cruelty-free and vegan. And we had this one in the powder form already. Now it's a liquid form. It is too dark for me. I don't know if there's still something left. Hold on. Can you see? It's too dark for me to use as a highlighter. Like, never. Right? So I figured, just you have a foundation that you don't really use, so why not mix it in with that and get use of both of those products? It looked so beautiful. It gave you an amazing glow, a bit of a tint. You know, it wasn't like the self-tanner that made you look like Donald Trump. It was absolutely beautiful. It was so beautiful. I looked like kissed by the sun, fresh from vacation. I would repurchase this one. I can't believe I'm saying this, but first off, it made me use my foundation. Thank God. And then second off, my skin was gorgeous. So I would definitely purchase this one. Okay, so that's it. That's everything that was in the box. That is like the 5 products that I want to review. Unfortunately, there was one that I didn't. I mean, I liked the towel, but it broke off. The elastic broke off. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I have a coupon code for LookFantastic in the info box if you want to use it. Yes, if not, that's also totally fine. And I'll see you next video.